The iPhone 18 Pro Max is still months away from its official reveal, but the leaks surrounding this device are already creating massive excitement across the tech world. Most people are currently focused on rumors about a smaller dynamic island, faster performance, and a redesigned camera system, but according to several insiders, Apple is secretly preparing something much bigger behind the scenes. This upcoming iPhone is not just another yearly refresh with tiny upgrades. Apple appears to be making major hardware changes that could completely redefine the future of the iPhone experience. Instead of introducing a crazy futuristic redesign, the company is reportedly refining the small details that matter most in everyday use. From major material changes and a dramatically improved cooling system to DSLR-style camera technology and unbelievable battery life claims, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's most ambitious smartphones ever made. Starting with the design, Apple may finally be moving away from the flat industrial look that has dominated recent iPhones. Multiple leaks suggest the frame will now curve more naturally into the rear glass panel, creating a smoother and more premium feel in the hand. The phone is expected to maintain its large 6.9-inch display, but the overall ergonomics could feel noticeably better compared to previous generations. However, the biggest surprise is not the shape of the phone, it is the material Apple might use. According to trusted reports, Apple is preparing to ditch titanium entirely and return to aluminum for the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. At first glance, this sounds shocking because Apple heavily marketed titanium as a premium feature on earlier Pro models. But there is reportedly a very smart reason behind this decision. Titanium is extremely strong and lightweight, but it also traps heat more easily. As smartphone chips become more powerful every year, thermal management is becoming one of the biggest engineering challenges in the entire industry. Aluminum, while slightly softer than titanium, is much better at dissipating heat. That means the iPhone 18 Pro Max could stay cooler during gaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking. Apple appears to be prioritizing long-term performance stability instead of simply using expensive materials for marketing purposes. Even if aluminum is slightly more prone to scratches, many users would gladly accept that trade-off if it means better cooling and improved battery efficiency. Leaks also suggest Apple will introduce several fresh color options, including a deep dark cherry finish, a stealthy dark gray variant, a light sky blue model, and a classic silver version that could become a fan favorite. However, while the front of the phone is becoming cleaner and sleeker, the back camera system is reportedly growing larger once again. Many early leaks show a significantly expanded camera bump, and there is a very important reason for that increase in size. Apple is allegedly preparing one of the biggest camera upgrades in iPhone history. The iPhone 18 Pro Max may become the first iPhone ever to feature a true mechanical variable aperture system. This is a huge deal because variable aperture technology is commonly found in professional DSLR and mirrorless cameras, not smartphones. Instead of relying completely on software processing to simulate depth and lighting effects, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could physically adjust the lens opening depending on the environment. In bright conditions, the aperture would narrow to preserve detail and sharpness. In dark environments, it would widen to allow significantly more light into the sensor. This would dramatically improve low-light photography, nighttime video recording, and natural background blur. Apple is reportedly pairing this new lens system with a massive 48-megapixel stacked camera sensor that could capture more light and preserve more image detail than previous iPhones. The result could be photos that look much more natural and professional without relying heavily on artificial processing. The telephoto camera is also expected to receive a major upgrade. Leakers claim Apple is introducing a wider aperture zoom lens, allowing far more light to reach the sensor during zoom photography. One of the biggest weaknesses of smartphone zoom cameras has always been poor low-light performance, but Apple may finally solve that issue. Nighttime zoom shots could become dramatically sharper, cleaner, and more detailed. Instead of chasing ridiculous megapixel numbers like many Android brands, Apple appears to be focusing on real-world image quality improvements that users can actually notice every single day. Under the hood, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to be powered by Apple's upcoming A20 Pro chip. According to current leaks,
this could become the world's first 2-nanometer smartphone processor. That alone would represent a massive leap in efficiency and performance.
But Apple's main focus this year reportedly is not just raw speed.
The company is heavily prioritizing battery life and thermal efficiency. Early insiders claim the A20 Pro chip consumes far less power while staying significantly cooler under heavy workloads. Combined with improved cooling from the aluminum frame and a larger battery design, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could deliver battery performance that sounds almost unbelievable. Some reports are even suggesting up to 48 hours of battery life with moderate use.
Imagine using your phone for 2 full days without needing to recharge. That level of endurance would completely change how people use smartphones during travel, work, gaming, and content creation. Even heavy users who constantly stream videos, use GPS navigation, and record 4K footage may finally be able to get through an entire day comfortably without carrying a charger or power bank. Apple is expected to officially unveil the iPhone 18 lineup in September next year, with the Pro Max model likely starting at around $1,199 once again. If even half of these leaks turn out to be accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could easily become one of the most important iPhone upgrades in years. Between the improved thermal design, smaller dynamic island, revolutionary variable aperture camera system, upgraded low-light photography, and potentially game-changing battery life, this device sounds far more exciting than a simple yearly refresh. The biggest question now is whether Apple can truly deliver on these ambitious promises. If they can successfully combine professional-grade camera hardware with next-generation battery efficiency, the iPhone 18 Pro Max may finally blur the line between smartphones and dedicated cameras more than ever before. And honestly, that mechanical lens system alone could completely transform mobile photography for creators around the world. So, what are you personally most excited about? The massive 2-day battery life, the DSLR-style camera lens, the smaller dynamic island, or the new premium color options? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video with your tech-loving friends because there are still many more insane Apple leaks coming soon.